Hello and welcome to my blog. So for lunch I made a salad with spinach and feta cheese. So I started by chopping up the feta cheese into small cubes. Whilst I was doing that, I also put some onions and peppers in the pan for a separate dish. The separate dish was pasta. So to the onions I added some curry powder, turmeric powder, and then I also boiled some pasta which I added in when it was done, and I also added some coriander and some eggs. The eggs were scrambled in a pan. And going back to the spinach and feta salad, I added some red onions, and I added the feta and the spinach and also some cheese. This is one of my favourite salads. Definitely need to try it. So then I added some olive oil, and that was the pasta that was finished, and also the salad that was finished. The salad is so nice and fresh. The spinach and the feta go really well together, and that onion also gives it a bit of a zest. And the egg pasta was also really nice, tasted really creamy, and you could really taste the coriander. The coriander really makes a difference. For dessert, I opted for a yogurt. So I used the 0% fat yogurt, and to the yogurt I added in some chocolate flavoured Angel Delight, and this tastes a bit like a chocolate mousse or a cheesecake even, because it's got that tartness from the yogurt. I just mixed it in with the yogurt until it became a bit thick, and until it just had enough chocolate in it. So this is a healthy alternative to chocolate or to puddings. I also added some honey for sweetness. You don't have to add the honey, but I decided it needed some. You can see the consistency is of chocolate mousse. I then cut up some chocolate into small pieces. Dark chocolate is best for this, although I didn't have any dark chocolate in the house, so I went for a milk chocolate. But normally I use dark chocolate for this, as this is healthier. I then spooned the yogurt mixture into ramekins. Once that was done, I added a sprinkle of chocolate. Now you can use as little as you like or as much as you like. Try not to put too much in, as it takes away the healthiness. I also added in some granola. And that was the yogurt pots done. It tasted really good. The creaminess from the yogurt and the sweetness from the chocolate and the crunchiness from the granola, it all combined really well together. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.